present to you the part of digital marketing, which is data-driven marketing. But first, we have to understand the definition of data-driven marketing.
Data-driven marketing is the process by which marketers glean insights and trends by analyzing company-generated or market data, then translating this insight into an actionable decision informed by numbers. Data are used to answer the question that who, what, where, and when, while how customers are engaging in their marketing effort. From that, they can make a better decision. There are three sources of data. The first is from CMR. The data is collected from the process of buying and assessing or interacting with the customer. The second is the data from the company website, the number of visitors or the intention to buy. The third is the data from social media, which means the third-party data like Facebook, Instagram, or Twitter.
I will introduce to you about the benefit of data-driven marketing.
The first benefit is personalized marketing. It's very necessary that companies convey the right message to the right audience at the right time. Data-driven marketing helps brands create a customized campaign that goes to the deeper understanding of the customer profile. And clear-cut clarify its mean. With the data-driven approach, it's become much easier for separating and grouping the target audiences that the company is trying to reach. Distributing data-driven advertising across channels through automatic marketing campaigns will ensure that your message is consistent, online, and reaches its recipient in the perfect place at the perfect time. The good data can help the company to refine the customer experience. Many popular brands use data-driven marketing to enhance the customer experiences by giving the surveys and pinpoint specific areas for improvement. Finally, with the good data, companies can establish a better understanding of their target audience, which leads to development of better suited products for that particular market.
Some challenges for data-driven marketing. First is if you have the data but you don't know how to use them or don't know the purpose to use them, it will fail.
So first, you have to raise the right question. As a business, you generate a ton of data every day. Yes, there's no reason to believe that your data is good enough to get actionable insight. So you have to collect the data that is high quality, and which means that the high quality data needs to be consistent and up to date. Once you have in your hand all the relevant data, it's time for you to normalize your data, because you have to cleaning and harmonizing it, so it's very difficult and it requires the professional to master even more specialized techniques and approach to manage and analyze their data. The key of using well the data is to integrate the data well. To know the insight, you have to find and know what's relevant. When in the process, you may be pulled far away from the problem, so that you have to put strong focus on what matters the most. And working with real-time data is another obstacle, because in the report of CMO Council, only 7% of companies they have the ability to work with the real-time data. And also according to the CMO Council report, only 3% of the correspondents of the system are fully integrated with the data flowing assembly between channel and team. In a time of big data is everywhere, and it tends to be bigger in every day. Working with interactive marketing analytics is crucial.
I will show you how to take a data-driven marketing.
In the process of integrating data, you may be overwhelmed at times, but by creating automatic processes still allow for personalization, you stay true for objectives and avoid complicating research. It also requires collaboration across the team because data is something that needs to be managed across the entire organization. Marketers must ensure information is shared across departments and teams. The company have to take a look at the other companies, so they have to follow suit or learn from their mistake. We can coordinate, monitor industry changes. And you know, data-driven marketing is not just one size fits all solution. So it requires company constantly monitor and adjust based on the research that the company see. It will help identify which statistics are working and encourage buy-in from organizational leaders.
For real-world data-driven marketing examples.
Today in the world, the data have many digital marketers to retargeting their customer. If the customer already bought shoes, then they will recommend it the relevant product like a couple of shorts. From that, they can retarget the customer and enlarge its segment. The data also write the advertising. For example, the Workers English, they create an advertising on the Facebook, which allow the audience to test free for their English level. And they have to sign up if they want to receive the research. From that, the Workers English can enrich their database.
By the data, they can create better content for the customer and optimize it for search and drive better traffic for their website. And the final example is that the data-driven email marketing, creating and delivering content based on the customer-specific preferences is the best way for brand to build a long relationship with the customer. Today, like Tiki, when you buy something, we will have the email thank you for choosing them. And the other company like Thế giới di động, some like supermarket in Vietnam today apply it.
And here's my references.
That's all of my part. Thank you for listening.